Hey everyone, it is Faith. Follow along with me as I show you my 7 days of skin. Good morning. So I just did my entire skincare routine up to my serum because I wanted to show you guys my favorite serum to use in the morning, which is from Dieux. It has niacinamide, which is really soothing, peptides, and it just feels like a hug for your skin. I'm going to a beauty lunch right now, have my trusty SPF spray. This is SPF 40 from Supergoop. It is super cooling, refreshing, makes it easy to reapply sunscreen throughout the day, which I always forget to do. So I just cleansed. I'm using my favorite toner from Good Light. I apply it with this bamboo reusable pad, and you can actually throw these in the wash so you can reuse them over and over again. They're really sustainable. And I always follow with a serum. This one I've been really liking from Eadem. It is the Milk Marble Dark Spot Serum. It has a really milky texture, it feels really hydrating, and I'm off to bed. Once a week, I like to do some sort of mask or peel situation to really just bring my skin back to life. This one is the Alpyn Beauty Huckleberry Peel. I'm obsessed with this. It leaves my skin feeling really smooth and bright afterwards. I swear, I'll show you. Skin is so bright. Feeling a little dry today, so I'm using my Isla Face Base Primer to really amp up my glow. See how it just adds like this instant sheen? I'm also gonna use these Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, and I just use it on the tops of my cheeks. Instant glazed donut skin. I woke up with super puffy under eyes today, yay me. So I'm going to be using these under eye masks from Jillian Dempsey. I follow with her vibrating gold bar. Gets rid of any fluid buildup under the eye, and then the eye masks leave your eyes feeling hydrated. I have one more product to show you. This is the CurrentBody LED face mask, and I use this once a week. It helps keep my acne away, and it also helps boost collagen. You just wear it for 10 to 15 minutes. If you wash until now, you're a real one, and I love you. See you around next time. Bye.